It's me, Sam, and today is September 16th, and I am here at Sparkman Hillcrest Cemetery, and I'm about to go exploring, and I'm going to take y'all along with me and show you all the beautiful statues and gravestones and everything in the cemetery. It's really nice here. Let's go! Area is definitely spiking. We moved to a different part of the cemetery. There's this headstone over here that's completely overgrown. They need to come and cut it down. Is there anyone here that would like to communicate? It's like really spiking. Oh, it's going down again. Do you want me to turn on the spirit box? Okay, I'm going to turn this off and turn on the spirit box. Who is here with us? Try to speak clearly. This right here just started going off as we were walking through the cemetery. See, then I move a little bit. See, it's going off in this area over here. Oh, weird. Look at the name on the grave where it keeps going off. It's Anderson. And look at the first name, Charles, which is my dad's name. My dad's not buried at this grave. And this just keeps going off. Or my dad's not buried at the cemetery, just my brother. I'm going to set this down here. I'm going to turn this back on.
S-Box. Scanning. FM.
Has there been anybody here that wants to communicate? If there is, come over here and use this device here to communicate.
Yeah, on my camera, I'm showing you a spirit box that's going through different stations, whereas in person, at 87.9.
Maybe it's just how it is on phone. This is still going off, but I'm still not getting anything. Let's switch over to FM.
What's the AM?
Or AM is going on.
Scanning. AM.
Is there anybody here that wishes to communicate? You were able to light up this EMF detector over here. Can you communicate through this device? Can you use it to say words?
Who are you?
What is your name? I can't tell.
Are you Mr. Anderson? Are you Charles?
Did it almost hear sound like it said my name? Or try to say my name?
Are you Bailey?
Can you say your name? Can you say one of our names? It sounded like it said father. Whose father are you? Did it sound like it said my name? Dad, is that you? Daddy, I love you and I miss you. I'm about to turn this off. If there's anything else you want to say, go ahead and say it. Guys, I hope you like that video. Sparkman Hillcrest is a beautiful cemetery. Apparently, Mickey Mantle's grave is also there, but I was not able to find it, just Tom Landry's. And there's some other like big Texas prominent lawyers and city council people that are buried there. There's a lot of really neat graves and cemeteries there. There's a beautiful pond that's nice and tranquil that you can sit. It's a nice place to collect your thoughts. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had to leave because security was following me and they asked me to leave because they don't like people walking around taking photos and videos apparently. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tap the notification button for notifications when there's a new video uploaded, and have a great day. Bye.